Hello students, this is question number 16th of IOQM 2025 and 26, and this question says, in a triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, AB is 1, BC is 2, and on the side BC there are 2 points D and E, such that E lies between C and D. DEFG is a square and F lies on AC and G lies on the circle through B with center A. If the area of DEFG is M by N, then we need to calculate the value of M plus N. Now let's try to draw the figure and try to understand that what exactly question is asking. Now this is a triangle that they are mentioning and this vertex is vertex B. Now if this vertex is vertex B, now we can take the other vertices over here as A and C. Now assuming this point to be 0 comma 0. Now as they mentioned this length is 1. Now we can say that this coordinate of vertex A is going to be 0 comma 1. Moreover, they said that C and D is lying on this side BC. Now, if it is lying on BC, so it is lying in this process, this way. Now, we are drawing a circle having a center as A and it is passing through B. So, the circle will be somewhat like this. Now, we can write the equation of a circle. The equation of a circle will become x square plus y minus 1 whole square and the radius will become equal to 1. Now, moreover, they mentioned that a square is being implanted between circle and a triangle. And this vertex they call it as F and this one they call it as G. Now, as they said that G is touching this circle, then anyhow, if we'll be able to find the coordinates for the point G, then we can substitute that point into the equation of a circle and we can get the values over here. Now, for that, first of all, we can see that if I'm assuming this length to be equal to A, then this length is also going to be equal to A. Moreover, I can say that a triangle ABC is similar to a triangle F, E, and C. Now, if these two triangles are similar, then I can clearly write that FE divided by AB, this is going to be equal to CE divided by BC. Now, from here, I can write that FE is A, this is 1. This is going to be CE itself, and over here we have 2. So, from here, we can clearly see that CE is going to be equal to 2 times of A. So, this length is 2 times of A. Now, this length is going to be equal to 2 minus 3A, as we know that full length is being given equal to 2. So, we can see that BD is going to be equal to 2 minus 3A. Now, we got the coordinates for the vertex G. So, coordinates is going to be equal to 2 minus 3A, comma A. Now, as I already said that if we got G, then we can substitute this G into the given equation of a circle. So we can write that this is 2 minus 3A whole square plus A minus 1 whole square. This is going to be equal to 1. Now this is a simple quadratic in A. And if we are going to calculate the value of A from here, so A value will be either equal to 1 or either it is going to be equal to 2 by 5. Now once we got these two values, now we have to reject any one value. Now if we'll go for A is equal to 1, we can see this length itself will become equal to 3. So which is not at all possible, means 1 is going to be get rejected. So the value of A is going to be equal to 2 by 5. Now once we got the value of A, means we got the side length of a square. Now we need to find the area of that square. So area is going to be equal to A square and which is going to be equal to 4 divided by 25. Now in the final answer, we need to calculate the value of M plus N. So M plus N is going to be equal to 29 and hence 29 has to be the final answer and the same is being mentioned.